This is an iPhone, by the way. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I edit my Instagram videos on an iPhone, and I'll be showing you what apps I use and just step by step on how I edit my Instagram videos again.
You get so awkward, you gotta keep that going.
So apologizing for future reference, all apps that I use in this video are on iOS devices, and I don't know if they are on Android devices, but you can try and check. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about each app that I'm gonna use. So first one is Vont. Vont is an app where you can basically put any text on your videos, and this is where I put like my name and stuff like that on my videos. It's free and yeah, it's easy to use. It's by the same company as Fonto if you guys use that app as well. It's for images, but this version is for videos. The next app is iMovie. iMovie, everyone knows what iMovie is, but if you don't know what iMovie is, it's basically just a basic editing app. They actually have it on the Apple laptop and stuff. That's how, like, you know, the important YouTubers, what they use to edit their videos. Basically, it's just a cut down version for the iPhone. So the next app is Crop Video. Crop Video is basically how I crop my videos to a certain size. So I like to use the square option for Instagram because it just basically fits the border of Instagram and it's not cut off for me, you know what I mean? And it is also for free. Every app I use is for free. And so the next app, so this is kind of a disclaimer. This app you actually can pay for more things, but I like to use the free version because it's free. It's Film R. Basically it gives you all those nice transitions and shit like that that other apps don't give you. I wish they had a huge big app for all these things, but they're all separated. How I start the process of basically making my video, I actually pick a song first, and I kind of like scroll through Instagram to like see some music that isn't copyrighted, because Instagram does copyright music if it's by Vivo and stuff like that. So you want to get like a remixed version of a song. So that's basically what I do, is I get a remixed version of a song and put them on my Instagram videos. But I basically like to cut down to like the beginning portion of the song, so that way when it gets to like the end of the video, it gives like the nice bass, and you know, it's where like I kind of show off my face or whatever. I basically pick the song I want and I open iMovie, and that's how I begin editing. I already cut down on the process because everyone knows how to edit and basically crop. I can do a separate video on how I edit specifically in iMovie, but I feel like that takes way too much time, and also a lot of other YouTubers already have videos like these. So I already edited this video. I kind of just basically just cropped everything up, and yeah. So I placed the song right below. You can do the song just by detaching the audio, and there's a detach button just to detach the audio if you guys want to do that. So I was too lazy to film a separate video just for this video because it does take me 2 hours to do my makeup, so just stick with it. I will show you guys how to use font though. Even though I already have the text on my phone, I'll show you like what specific font I use and just all that good stuff. Okay, after editing my video on iMovie, I basically save it to the highest export size, which is 180p, and if it goes any higher than that, I think it goes to like 400 and something like that. I save it to that. So I basically save it, and then I move on from there to the next app. So the next app I go into is Film R. So you're just gonna export your video into Film R, and since your video is already edited, you kind of have to go back into the places where you wanna do those nice transitions and stuff. So basically I just go back and split my video up again. So how you're gonna split is you're kind of gonna go into the little settings bar, and you're gonna click on the split button, and you can go to any place in the video and split. So I'm just basically going to split anywhere just to show you guys how to do these little transitions and stuff. So there's little plus buttons, and it shows you a little like small amount of options where you can basically do transitions. There's a spin, there's strobe, there's, I shouldn't be clicking because it's playing music. But they basically give you the fade, dissolve, white flash, spin, and strobe light option. You can do every single one of them how many amount of times you know, basically want. But as long as you don't click the ones on Pro, then you're fine, because the Pro ones you have to pay for. So yeah, I just basically use this app just for transitions, but you can do other stuff as well. Like this one does text, effects, and you can also do overlays on this one. By overlays, I mean you can add a separate video or image on top, but the video one you actually have to buy for the Pro, but you can put an image on top of your video if you guys want for free. So after that, I'll export it to 4K because that is the highest resolution they have. Just make sure you go for the highest one. That way your video doesn't turn out all pixelated and stuff. And then after that, I do go into font. I'll just show you what text I use and what little icon I use for Instagram. So what you're gonna do is import your video. That's my video. Basically, all you gotta do is click on the video at any point in time in the video where you want the text to be at. So I'm just gonna add the text in the beginning because I want it to be throughout the whole video. And you're just gonna do, you know, your name or, you know, your panhandle for Instagram, really. And so I use two different texts for this because the little Instagram icon is actually a font, so you have to do it separately. So I'm just gonna do my panhandle and click there and enter it. And since my fuzzball 0 is already on there, I can't really show you guys where I put it. So the font I use is Damascus Light. Yeah, it's basically a very nice thin lettering font, you know what I mean? And I like to put it to like a nice medium size so that it doesn't really go on my face. So then I just click again and go into fonts again, and I go to Font Awesome, which has like little different characters and stuff, and I'm just gonna go ahead and find the Instagram one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right next to my Fuzzball 0, and there you go. You got it on your video. So I know this is another thing where you guys are probably going to be confused is how to do the placements or whatever. So basically where you want to, like, if you want to put it in a specific portion in your video, all you got to do is click on your text, and it's going to show up like a bar near the bottom that you can just like change like where you guys want to put it. So if you see those like red and orange bars near the bottom, that's basically where you guys want to start and end your words. So the last portion is actually optional because you can already do this on Instagram because Instagram already automatically crops your video for you. But I like to go and use crop video just to crop my video just to make sure that it does fit on Instagram. So I basically just go into crop video and upload my video and crop it to a square, which it actually shows you the option where it says Instagram, thank God, because I don't want to be searching for ages. So all you gotta do is click on your video that you want, and it'll import it for you, and I just click crop and then I click square, and it, as you can see, like it shows you like the little Snapchat, if not like Instagram one. So I'm just gonna click on the Instagram one, import it, and then export it, and it exports it to the highest resolution already for you, so that's the best part. And then you can go ahead and post it on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for making it this far. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more. I'll hopefully be filming every week now, at least once a week. I got a lot of free time now, and I don't have a boyfriend holding me back. So, if you guys want to see a separate video of me going in depth on these apps, please make sure to comment down below for more of that, and I'll leave it off here. Home slice. I don't know how to end it.